Dreaming big, the entrepreneurship journey begins. Kiss your 9 to 5
Goodbye.
and start carving your own path. Step into the exciting world of entrepreneurship and online business. Unleash your inner entrepreneur. Discover the skills, mindset, and strategies you need to transition from employee to online powerhouse. Learn from experts who've walked the path as they share their stories, insights, and failings. Get inspired to conquer your business dreams. Understand the nuts and bolts of building a successful online business. SEO, social media marketing, branding, and more, we've got it all covered. Get ready to transform. Equip yourself with the tools, knowledge, and confidence to make the leap from employee to successful online entrepreneur. Your journey to online success starts here. From employee to entrepreneur, transitioning to online success. Join the revolution now. Embarking on a journey from employee to entrepreneur. Chasing your dreams often means stepping out of the conventional 9 to 5 job. It's time to embrace entrepreneurship. The internet offers a world of opportunities. Learn how to harness this potential and transition from an employee to a successful online entrepreneur. Discover essential tools and strategies to boost your online business. Embrace the digital era and capitalize on cutting-edge technology. Master the art of managing time and resources effectively. Remember, it's not about working hard, it's about working smart. Learn from successful online entrepreneurs and their journey. They too started small, but with persistence and determination, they made it big. Your entrepreneurial journey begins now. From employee to entrepreneur, let's make the transition to online success.